Welcome to our comparison of the COMFEE Portable Dishwasher and the EUHOMY Portable Dishwasher. Today, we'll dive into the features, performance, and design of these two compact dishwashers. Both are perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or apartments, but they come with different capabilities that may suit your needs better. Let's explore what each has to offer. The COMFEE Portable Dishwasher offers 6 wash programs, including a high-temperature hygiene cycle and an air-dry function. In contrast, the EUHOMY Portable Dishwasher boasts 8 wash programs, including a self-clean and baby care mode, making it more versatile for different cleaning needs. When it comes to noise levels, the COMFEE operates at 62 decibels, which may be noticeable in quiet environments. On the other hand, the EUHOMY is much quieter at just 40 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prefer a peaceful kitchen atmosphere. In terms of size, the COMFEE measures 16.53 inches wide, while the EUHOMY is slightly smaller at 15.75 inches. This compact design of the EUHOMY makes it a great option for tight spaces, while the COMFEE offers a bit more width for larger dish loads. In conclusion, both the COMFEE and EUHOMY portable dishwashers offer excellent features for compact living. The choice between them will depend on your specific needs, such as the number of washing programs and noise levels. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.